right? So gonadotropin releasing hormone. That's the hypothalamus will release that. GnRH. GnRH will cause the anterior pituitary to secrete luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. LH and FSH. Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, these two hormones will act then on the gonads. So in the male, the testes, and in the female, the ovaries. Okay, so testes then will secrete what hormone as a response? Testosterone. And the ovaries will secrete what two hormones? Estrogen, progesterone. Okay, so gonadotropin releasing hormone from the hypothalamus acts on the anterior pituitary. It will cause the pituitary to secrete luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, which then act on the gonads, testes, and males to secrete testosterone, and ovaries, females, estrogen, progesterone. Yeah.
Do we need to know the
Full names?
like LH, FSH?
Well, you should know. Yeah, you may definitely see that in long term, luteinizing hormone. So this is what you missed. You guys didn't do much of this in. We can do it next lecture if you want to do it, just to go over it. It's pretty cool. It is. We do the ovarian and uterine cycle. It's good to know. Want me to spell it? The corpus luteum. Do you remember the corpus luteum? Did you remember that? How many here know anything about the corpus luteum? Wow. Okay, we're gonna do the ovarian cycle. You should know that for sure. What course was that? It's physiology, right? Was that physiology? Second semester.
That was like, read it on your own.
Yeah, I'll probably do it next class because it won't take much time, but it's really pretty. You should know how it works. So GnRH, GN stands for gonadotropin. Gonadotropin. Want me to write that down, or gonads, gonadotropin. Okay, everybody good with this one, this pathway? Yeah. Corticotropin, releasing hormone. Corticotropin. Okay, when you see cortico, that's referring to the cortex, the adrenal cortex. Okay, next one, thyroid releasing hormone, TRH. So hypothalamus releases thyroid releasing hormone. Oh, sorry. Thyrotropin releasing hormone. Thyrotropin. Thyrotropin releasing hormone. The hypothalamus releases that. That acts on the anterior pituitary to release thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Okay, so now the TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, will act on the thyroid gland in your throat, okay, to release thyroid hormone, which is known as T3 and T4. Have you guys learned that yet, or have you learned thyroxine? And no? Okay, just no thyroid hormones. Okay. Hypothalamus releases thyrotropin releasing hormone, TRH. That acts on the anterior pituitary to release thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. And the thyroid stimulating hormone will act on the thyroid gland, and the thyroid gland will release thyroid hormone, T3, T4. Okay, everybody good with that one? Okay, last one that we're going to talk about is growth hormone releasing hormone.